Hi guys, welcome back to the video. Today it's Wolves versus Everton in the Premier League, and today it's a new stadium for me. I'm off to Molineux for the 3 o'clock kick-off. It's my final game of 2023. It's at Molineux, never been there before. Everton got a 10 points deduction earlier on this season. Before they got the 10 points deduction, they would have been closer to a European spot than the relegation zone. But now the 17th, just above the relegation zone, on 16 points. Luton, Burnley and Sheffield United are in the relegation zone. Everton are 17th, Wolves are 11th. Today should be a great game. This is a neutral video for me. Not done one of these in a while. But yeah, Wolves in the last 5. They've won 3, drawn 1 and lost 1. Everton have won 2, lost 2 and drawn 1. Today's video is sponsored by Scratch Off Maps. Scratch Off Maps is a great way to physically record what stadium you've been to. There's a Scratch Off map behind me. Wolves is down here. Never been there before, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to scratch it off. There you go, that's that done. It's basically a little stadium on the map, so after you've been to a ground you scratch it off. If you're an Everton fan, Wolves fan, whatever football club you support, go check out Scratch Off Maps. I'm sure you'd really like it, so I'll leave the link in the top of the description. Use discount code BFE10 at checkout, you get yourself 10% off all orders. So yeah, my score prediction for today. I hope it's high scoring, I hope it's a great game. My score prediction for today, I'm going to go for a 2-2 draw, you know, so I'm not taking any sides. So yeah, I'll see you at Molineux. Bought the wrong train tickets. The train's at 12:30 and I bought 1:30 and the train is sold out. It's gonna be tough this one.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
Crewe, Stafford, Wolverhampton.
Yes.
Trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
We've got a players. Fire this one. Well, score prediction. I'm going to say 2-1 Wolves. This is going to be good. On the way, come on. Three on. He's got a score here. Where's it going? Cross, they got Southampton, 15. Might be offside. The players actually play football. But yeah, since the goal, nothing much happened. Everton got clearly. Everton got close, but nothing major happened. That's the second half. Right, the second half is underway. Unless they kick off. It's offside. It's offside with VAR.
3, Everton 0.